Papi playtime.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Okay. Rian, and go and assist the lights. Dapat pula lang. Pula lang. Today we're gonna be watching the Walton Files. And kumain.
That's her.
1, 2, 3. Di pa ako nag...
Oh, ayan.
1, 2, 3. It's dark. Ay.
That's you, bro.
Tapos lagi...
For the millions of
Hindi ako na.
Ganito din ginawa namin. Nanood kami ng Penny.
It's 5:24. Hurry up.
Ayoko na, tol.
Don't touch the remote.
I'm not touching anything.
Okay then.
It's 11 minutes long. Lon's Burgers.
Ugly Rabbit.
1974. Uy, tol, patay ka pa nun ah.
Patay pa ako na.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Introductory tape to your new job at Funny Smiles Incorporated. You have applied to a job in technical support and maintenance. What does this job
I finally get a job.
Most other employees are the ones who take care of creating a magical and fun experience for Bob's Burgers.
Lakas, lakas.
Five Nights at Freddy ah. William Afton.
Bonnie! Ay,
Somebody shoot them with a gun.
Kung andito si Sean, siguro ang dami yung comment.
ah!
Si Bonnie!
Tol, di ka na nakikita sa camera. You're gone.
Bruce Black kasi.
You are.
Si Bonnie pero female version.
Si ano? Tag dito yung...
Ever notice how it's getting darker? The shadings.
Oo. Tol, pag nagka-nightmares ako, I will never forgive you.
Idea.
Ay, ako pala.
Uy, hinahanap ko yung una.
Nakaupo. Bro, that's the protection we need.
Naamoy protection ko.
It's my ass anyway.
These are the showstoppers. Bond, Shaw, Uzu, and Banny, a computer-animated band made by BSI to entertain children.
Yung sa Disney
As
lang.
a technician, you'll be given the role of a
Dami naman na
facility
challenge din bro.
caretaker.
Kawawa
Oo
yung
nga.
Oh,
mga employees.
Throughout this fun and magical journey, we'll work on certain tasks.
This is Five Nights at Freddy's.
Bob's Burger lang yan.
Copyright.
And learning how to use DSI technology. But first, here's a message from Jack Walton and Felix Crankin, our beloved
Di ba may ganyan si William Afton? May ganyan din picture. Parang ganyan yung ano.
Copyright, copyright.
Grab the copyright. Doon di ka na nakikita. Lumapit ka sa camera. Yan.
Pusok kasi.
With the Bond's Burgers restaurant getting opened in a few weeks, we're looking forward to achieving this dream.
She looks gay.
Yun na, nakikita na si John.
Kita na yung nigger.
Kasi... Sa YouTube tayo. Ang racist mo na.
Let's just say she has 1% black in her. Okay, that's when I need the pillow.
Bro, hindi nakakatulong. Nakapula yung ilo. Brighton. 1979. Okay.
Sunlight, ano?
Okay, so na-close down na yung shop kasi daw meron na namatay na bata.
Yung ganyang audio, nakakatakot. Feeling ko pa may jokes na
neighborhood and a really special one for sure.
Bahay ni Peppa Pig!
Little boy waiting all day for his friends to arrive.
He probably drew it in MS
sleepover
Paint.
He has everything set up for the perfect movie night with his friends.
Walang kaibigan, boy.
To this sleepover, he invited
I am so
Susie
lonely.
and Billy. Let's
Uy, si
check
Krusty.
out the cake
Krusty
and
Musty
get
Dusty.
together.
Hindi, si Krusty from ano,
Bobby
kasi...
likes the charm.
Parang kita naman yung ano, Chinese.
Hi!
Hi.
Amen, Lord! Pabili! Sarado!
That
Oh.
must be them. Now that everyone has arrived, I suppose it's time for the movie night to begin. Bond spent all his money on a really funny movie, which he...
Ang ganda ng sabon.
Parcel lang.
I guess we can
Uy, yan tayo.
most of the time.
Pero asan yung isa?
Si lumamig ka sa bomboklat.
Ayoko pag umiitim yung split. Talagang parang may lalabas na. Junko, ikaw yun o, yung friend mo.
What?
Asap mo.
Alam mo yung ano, yung horror game ba yun? Pero Wolf. Yung 3 little things na horror
Hindi pa,
ano.
hindi pa.
Okay.
Lintik na ano niya.
He's an
Bro, gagalaw yung mata. Gagalaw yung mata.
He's an insomniac, but okay.
Ang pigit yung mata. Tol, diba to miss the exciting part?
Na-entertain na.
The silence speaks loud.
Oh. This is when he gets killed.
Kung magka-nightmares ako, sisisihin ko sa plans.
Bite of 87.
Bomboklat.
Huwag naman bukas yung ilaw, matatakot kaya tayo.
Hindi.
Oo, ano.
Yeah, I mean, they're just a killer.
A lighter.
Oh. He's gonna burn everyone.
Oh, this is a good time to turn on the lights.
No, it is not.
So, when you the old one facility, and the coordinates and the computer device, a lot of times the work they do.
Parang mas nakakatawa ito kaya sa horror kung saan.
Gusto kay Maria Labo. Ano, natakot ako. May lalabas. Parang may lalabas sa puno. Yung mga ganun.
Pag lady mo papapap, gano'n.
Oo.
Lalo na pag ganyan.
There's a giant rabbit that's gonna come out of it.
Oo nga, oo nga. Parang ganun. Oh, it does not help. It does not help like that. Baka may caption.
And that was 4 weeks ago. So, horrendous.
5 minutes at Freddy's lang talaga.
Copyright! Sino kayo pwede makabot?
The pictures are horribly photoshopped.
Editing.
First Photoshop minister.
Siguro kayo unang sisigaw.
Hindi, tol, ako. Bro! 5 minutes at Freddy's yun. Di ba sa
5 Nights at
pinakto?
Freddy's.
Yung withered
He
animatronic.
kinda fine though.
What?
Hey, yo! Ito pa yun.
Why is he built like that?
PJ family.
Bro, pakiramdam ko talaga may lalabas sa likod.
Yung mga yung up.
Ah!
Please, yan, galing yung gusto sa ano eh.
Who are you talking to, little bro?
Mas bro, yapping ah.
Throw a shoe at his mouth and run away.
Hindi bro, yung malaking butas, itama mo yung sapatos mo then run.
Oh.
Oh, his hand is moving.
I don't get why they don't bring guns in this situation.
I definitely
It's not gonna been over in 3 episodes.
The left. I'm gonna remember that face in my dreams, bro. Dadalhin ko talaga
Kumikit
yun.
pa ako.
Oh!
Bomboklat!
Oh!
Nag-screenshot
Don't
yung
try to
utak
find
ko.
me.
Oh!
Wait lang, nag-screenshot yung utak
Oh
ko.
no! Oh no! No!
Bomboklat.
Oh no!
Have to go blind.
Oh!
What was that thing? Oh, okay. Okay. I like
Horror
this one.
analog talaga eh.
I like this one.
Money
Oh,
heist.
yan o.
Bro, hindi yung money heist. Hi, yan.
Chinese!
SCP-035 is a mask that absorbs everybody's face. It is a face that controls the human mind.
Nabalog na si
Memories
bro.
ni bro ah. Memories.
When... Uy, si the Joker?
Uy!
Joker!
I hope he eats you.
I can feel it.
That's you, bro!
Bombok
He
lang.
thought I was her. Di ako bakla. I'm not her. I'm a he.
I'm dead.
You hear what? You hear who?
Ano?
That ain't good.
I... Hello, my name is Brian Stella. And my...
And
Oh, she was the one that killed.
Okay. I work as facility caretaker. Ah, so siya yung kanina.
Siguro.
Hmm. Tayo yung ano, si Brian Stella.
Brian... Bro,
Ang pangit.
you are not Bob Marley. Shut up.
Ako yan nung ano, nung bata.
Pa-selfie.
Alter ego ni Jong.
Tol, yan, i-inner mo na yan. Huwag mo na ilalabas.
Touch baby.
Company ito natin.
Una, ano eh, puppy playtime, naging 5 years old rin.
And then, naging the water toys. I don't like this.
Oh.
Okay na?
Ad!
Tapos na?
Tape 1.
Tape 2 na. Files 2 na.
Palto.
Okay guys,
Okay.
that's the end for today's... Buksan mo nga yung ilaw, natatakot ako. Baka may maglabas na rabbit eh.
Imagine mo bad luck yung first video, tapos namatay ako pa uwi.
No! Wag! Okay. That is for today's video. Yun lang naman. Thank you for watching.
Part 1 pa lang to, may part 2 pa yan.
Okay, uwi na ako.
Part 2? Tignan na nga natin. What is your thoughts on the first episode?
The first episode,
Oo. First thoughts mo.
only... Lanas was screaming like a girl. And
No!
Buong film nakagulo ako. Tatakot ako, nakagulo ako.
And ako naman guys, di ako natakot. I swear. Basta
I like this one.
flashback, sumisigaw ako.
Nah bro, he lying.
Nash.
Hello guys, as you can see, hindi ako sa normal kong bahay. Bahay na ito ni bro. Tulad tong si bro. Ano pangalan mo?
Bro, we've been together for 8 months.
Who are you?
Rio.
Who are you?
Rafael.
Okay, and today we're gonna be reacting to kung ano man, analog horror.